What's going on, my good people? Mike Hidalgo here. Thank you for joining us on another FC Puro DIY. Today, we're going to be working on a 2016 Audi S3. Today on the S3 behind me, we're going to be replacing the engine air filter using a Mala replacement. We recommend that you do this every 15 to 30,000 miles, 10,000 miles in extreme conditions. Now that we know what we're working with for today, let's take a look at some of the tools we're going to need for this DIY. For this job, you're going to need a T25 and a ratchet. I'm using an electric ratchet to speed things up and an extended T25. Now that we have our tools covered, let's get started on this DIY. All right, my good people, thank you for joining us underneath the hood here. Well, to get started, we're going to remove 8 T25 screws around our airbox lid. I'm just using an extended T25 on my electric ratchet to speed things up a bit. These are captured onto the lid, so they're not going to come out all the way. And with that done, we should be able to pop up our lid and expose our filter. Using my other hand, I'm just going to go ahead and pull this one out. While you have the filter out, it's always a good time to inspect the box. If you have any debris in there, feel free to vacuum it out or blow it out. Now we're going to go ahead and place our new filter in. Same way the old one came out, with the orange sealing edge above. And then it's just a matter of placing our lid back on and then tightening down these T25s. Let's push them down and start them by hand a little bit. And I'm going to gently snug them up with the electric ratchet. And there you have it, my good people. Another DIY in the books. Overall, a pretty straightforward and simple job, but definitely a rewarding one and an important one, as it is the air that your engine is breathing. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments on what we did today, leave them in the comment box below. And if you like this DIY and you want to see more like them, please consider subscribing. We make new ones all the time. As always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.